Okay, I know a lot of you guys have probably already seen the video I made about this Bluetooth wireless creamy keyboard, but you guys seriously just have to listen to it for yourself. I mean, this does come in 4 different colorways you can choose from. It's Bluetooth. You can also have it plugged in. There's a little switch over here. And it does, of course, come with the kickstands on the side right there. So this is going to sit right up, which is perfect for you. But I'm telling you, this thing just sounds so incredibly nice. And it's under $50, which for a creamy keyboard of this quality is insane. You guys have to pick this thing up before they up the price.